Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Cricket Trivia. Please watch and subscribe. Which cricketer had an all-round performance of scoring 76 runs and bowling figure of 12 for 7 against West Indies in an ODI at Providence, Guyana in 2013? Answer: Shahid Afridi. Name the wicketkeeper who was forced into premature retirement by a freak eye injury sustained in a match against Somerset at Taunton in 2012. Answer: Mark Boucher. Australian cricketers Ricky Ponting and Steve Waugh hold the national record of playing most test matches for the country. How many test matches each did they play in their career? Answer: 168. Name the West Indian cricketer whose bowling figure of 10 over 8 maiden 3 runs 4 wickets against Pakistan at Sydney in the Benson and Hedges World Series in 92-93 is the world record for most economical bowling in an ODI among those who completed their maximum quota of 10 overs in a 50-over match. Answer: Phil Simmons. Which cricketer was 14 years and 227 days when he made his debut for Pakistan against Zimbabwe at Faisalabad in 96-97 to become the youngest Test cricketer in the history of the game? Answer: Hasan Raza. Played on a bouncy and seaming tracks, the 1992 Benson and Hedges World Cup in Australia and New Zealand expected to be a feast for bowlers. How many 5-wicket hauls were registered in 39 matches played in the tournament? Answer: 0. He was in the preliminary list of World Cup squad for both England and Scotland for the 1999 World Cup and finally represented Scotland in the tournament. Later, he played only test of his career for England, in which dismissed for a pair against South Africa at the Wanderers Johannesburg in 99-2000. Name him. Answer: Gavin Hamilton. Which Indian opener has scored 2084 runs in Tests, including 16 50s with highest innings score of 97? Answer: Chetan Chauhan. Which West Indian cricketer has scored 520 runs from 3 tests at an average of 173.33 against India during their tour of India in 1994? Answer: Jimmy Adams. Name the cricketer who holds the record of most ducks in a calendar year in one-day internationals with 8 dismissals of without scoring in 2002. Answer: Herschel Gibbs. Which spinner has the bowling figure of 12 overs, 8 maiden, 6 runs, 1 wicket against East and Central Africa in the 1975 World Cup? Answer: Bishan Singh Bedi. Australia was forced to follow on against Pakistan at Karachi in 1988, and the same happened against England at Nottingham in 2005. In between these two tests, Australia played a record number of tests without being forced to follow on. How many tests did they play? Answer: 190. Which Canadian batsman reached his half-century in 148 balls against South Africa at East London in the 2003 World Cup, the slowest half-century in the history of one-day internationals itself? Answer: Ishwar Maharaj. Who is the only cricketer to be dismissed for 199 in the form of run out in a test innings? Answer: Yunis Khan. This Sri Lankan cricketer was a late inclusion on the Australian tour in the 2007 following a ministerial intervention to bring him into the squad. However, midway through the series, he hit out at the selectors again, calling them a set of muppets headed by a joker. He scored 80 in his last test innings but announced his retirement from international cricket on the last day of the test. Name the cricketer. Answer: Maravan Attapattu. Who became only the third English cricketer and the first since Wally Hammond 70 years ago to score a test double century in Australia in 2006? Answer: Paul Collingwood. Name the first-class cricket team based out of Colombo in Sri Lanka, founded in 1888, that named themselves with the particular intention of not being aligned to a particular ethnic group. Answer: Nondescript Cricket Club. Who is the only cricketer to score a boundary-less half-century twice in one-day internationals? Answer: Mohammad Azharuddin. Which cricketer scored a century against Scotland at Hobart at the age of 38 years and 148 days in the ICC Cricket World Cup in 2015, made him the oldest centurion in the history of the World Cup tournaments? Answer: Tilaratne Dilshan.